Good habits for kids. Brush your teeth twice a day. Take a bath every day. Wear clean clothes. Do exercise every day outside in fresh air. Go to school on time. Do homework regularly. Pray to God daily. Cut your nails regularly. Always offer your seat to an elderly person. Keep your surroundings clean. Always cross the road at zebra crossing. Drink a lot of water. Respect your elders. Respect your teachers.